Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how I'm working the pineapple stitch for the border on the Seasons Traveling Afghan 2021, and I'm sponsored by Lion Brands. So I've already started here, so this is actually the third round of the pattern, and I'm just going to show you how to work that pineapple stitch. Make sure I'm in focus here. And so what you're going to do is you're going to yarn over. You're going to create a half double crochet, and I'm working in US terminology here. So you're going to skip a stitch and work your half double crochet in the next stitch. Then you're going to yarn over, and now part of the pineapple starts, and you're going to work that stitch right behind the post of that half double crochet. So you go in behind, yarn over, bring the yarn through, yarn over, going behind again, yarn over, so that's twice, yarn over, and that's 3 times. So you should have 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all of them. And my suggestion for making this stitch is to not strangle those stitches, like not make them super tight, because then you won't be able to pull it through and it'll get caught. So I'm going to do that again for you. So after you're finished this, you chain 1, skip a stitch, and then make your half double crochet. So yarn over, insert, pull, and pull through all 3 loops. Now the pineapple starts. Yarn over, that's once, yarn over in through the back, that's twice, yarn over in through the back of that stitch, that's 3 times, yarn over and pull through all 7 of them, and then chain 1. So I hope this helps you, and you're gonna make a lot of these on this border, so you'll get really good at it. Again, my tip is don't pull them too tight when you're doing the yarn overs, so that it's easier to pull the yarn through all the seven loops. And that is how to make the pineapple stitch. I hope it helps.